Danny Hanisaka with Call One, helping people do their business better. And today we're going to do a quick mic test of the brand new Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC. Stay tuned. The Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC comes in at an MSRP of $449.95. It's got a boomless mic design. There are 10 microphones, 6 of which are designed for that clear transmit audio. There's adaptive ANC, Microsoft Teams Open Office certification, which I believe this is one of the first to have that, and also smart sensors. It's got up to 21 hours of talk time and up to 24 hours of listening time on a 1-hour charge, which is fantastic. It's USB-C to USB-C charging plug, which is included. Okay, so one of the cool features of this case, just like the Poly Voyager 360 case, you can actually use it as a little, what do you call it? A little stand so that you can like watch your videos and movies and stuff right from the case itself. So that's kind of a cool feature. You get the BT700 USB-C dongle, but it also includes the USB-C to USB-A adapter so that you can use it regardless of what USB ports your computer, laptop have. Enough chit chat. Let's get this guy set up for some mic tests. Stay tuned. All right, so first up, let's do an open office background noise. And so let's start that going. Let's take a look at it right now. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC in an open office environment. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, so now we have our chickens. So if you are working in an environment where there are chickens clucking around, there you go. That's what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC, and there was chickens in the background. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC, and there's a vacuum cleaner running in the background. All right, and here is an audio warning because it's going to get really loud because I'm going to play a crying baby, and crying babies can get up to 120 decibels. My Mega Boom here, I don't know if it'll get that loud, but it does break 100 decibels, so it does get extremely loud. So just be forewarned, if you're wearing earplugs and you got the volume all the way up, some loud noise is coming your way here. All right, so here we go. This is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager Surround 80 and there was a baby crying in the background. Well, I guess they're not crying now. This doggone baby. There you go. This baby's not cooperating. I need a cooperating crying baby. All right. Woo! There you go. All right. Goodness. All right, so now we have some dog barking. And I recorded my dog. So this is what it would sound like if you were using the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC and there were barking dogs in the background. There you go. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager Surround 80 and there was a blender running in the background. Wow, that's loud. I'm gonna just jack it all the way up to max volume. $59.99 a month and get a second unlimited line free for 12 months with no contract. Call 1-844-537-29. That's what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC, and there was a TV at full volume playing in the background. All right. I'm connected to my laptop via the BT700 dongle, and I should be able to go at least up to 30 feet into like midway into my kitchen is about 25 feet. And if you've been watching this channel, you know that to the door over there is about 12 feet. So let's go for a little road trip. All right. So I'm gonna walk over here, 12 feet. And keep walking out here. Uh, See my dog's up there by the window. So this is a roughly 20 some feet outside, and I'm gonna get a little bit closer to the front door, which is roughly 50 some feet. My wife doesn't want to be on camera. She won't be on camera. All right, so I'm here by the door. Let me see if I can. Just gonna hide. We have some packages. Now I'm outside. I haven't heard any. I'm, it's kind of warm out here today. It's Florida. It's hot, but it's kind of nice, I should say. It's kind of nice out here. All right, and there's cars zipping by on the road. But let's see if this disconnected or not. My wife's trying to hide. My wife's trying to hide. I'm gonna back it up. I'm gonna back it up. All right. She's trying to go out the door. She's gonna get more packages that we have delivered. But I'm gonna head back to my office here, and we're gonna see if I got disconnected or what. But I was able to go to my front door, which would be a very normal distance to go. I get a delivery. I got to go pick up something. I got to sign for something. But anyway, there's a quick range test, and stay tuned for my thoughts. All right, so there you go. A quick little overview and mic test of the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC. If you have any questions about this, all our contact information is going to be in the description box below. And as always, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.